Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Blueprint Machine Development. Today I'm going to be showing just a few minor changes and features that got added. So the first one is the controls. I've shown this before in the Division demo that I did yesterday. If you haven't checked the video, please do it, it's interesting. So the controls are these things over here. They are still in a draft mode, but this will actually be used in the final game. You will design the blueprints to interact with a level that you have to solve, and you use this to stop the play and the step. Now the step allows you to go only one cycle at a time and see what is happening, so it's easier to debug. So for instance, in this demo here, I did just a very short and fast cycle to draw a ball here in the video node, like this. So basically just adding a number to the X and Y position, and it goes like this. So if I want to actually debug this, I can just use the step, and now by clicking on the step I can see what is happening slowly, so that I can understand. I can actually use a console to see my value there, and then we did each step, see what is happening. So for now there's not much use in this except to debug, but later it will be useful. Next thing is the delta demo. So I changed the time node, the time generator. I used to have only the time, now I have the delta. So the time gives me the time since we pressed play, since the simulation began. And the delta now gives me the difference between each, let's call it frame, each step of the simulation. So this is useful for, let's say, physics simulations, where you are actually changing a position based on acceleration, gravity, something like that, and you want to change in a gradual way. So if I press play, you'll see that my time is always increasing, but my delta kind of stays the same all the time. Maybe it's interesting because I didn't have this before. Maybe it's because I'm recording now and it has some kind of stuttering in the middle. Okay, next let's go back and to the noise demo. I also showed this in a screenshot on Saturday. I added this new math noise node, which is just a simple 2D noise. So it takes X and Y coordinates and it outputs the noise in a range from 0 to 1. And I actually screenshotted this in a kind of a more complex blueprint where I was drawing the 2D noise, kind of 2D map to the video node, but I don't have that here because I don't have save and load yet. So I decided to show you quickly with a beeper. So I'm just going to turn my speakers on. Let's add a graph. So that's what it is. You can change it here. Okay, and that's it for the noise generation. So these are the latest changes and new things added. Today I published an important post in the blog regarding early access to this Blueprint sandbox. Several people have asked me to play with it. I'm considering opening early access. The game is still in a very early stage, there are no levels yet. But I'm considering opening an early access for people who want to play along as it gets developed, and also to have the opportunity to play with the sandbox. So if you're one of these people that are interested, please read this post, it has important information. I also appreciate your feedback. So thanks, take care, and see you next time.